black don't crack versus sunscreen. Let's talk about some things you should consider when you're buying sunscreen for daily use. SPF, what does it stand for? Sun protection factor. And I would recommend either getting an SPF of 30 or 50. So when we're talking about an SPF of 30, that means it would take 30 minutes for that sunscreen to protect you from the harmful UVB rays before you start getting burnt by the sun. I would recommend you getting an SPF of 30 if you're not going to be exposed to the sun for long periods of time. For example, if you work indoors. But if you work outdoors, or maybe you're going down to the coast, I would advise you to get an SPF of 50. Something else that we should consider when getting a sunscreen is a broad spectrum sunscreen. When it comes to the sun rays, we have two rays. We have UVA and UVB. So UVB is the harmful ray. It is the one that causes a sunburn when you're exposed to the sun for long periods of time. So when you get your sunscreen, whichever brand it is, make sure you look at the packet and that it shows it is a broad spectrum sunscreen. Of course, there are other factors, whether it's a mineral sunscreen, whether it is a water resistant sunscreen, whether it's a sunscreen that is for sensitive skin. Now, this is dependent on individual people. So remember, sunscreen should be worn every day, whether you're outdoors or just indoors, even working. And if you're outdoors, you should wear your sunscreen after every 2 hours. I know it's tedious. Sometimes I don't even do it myself, but if you can, please do.